Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. And while that other video was loading about how to select an item or more using the control button or the shift key, if you look, there's 140 objects in this group. It's all grouped together. But let's say we want to take these brown ones. We can't click on them. But if you hold down the control key, it'll let you click it. And then if you hold down the shift key also at the same time, holding down both these keys, then we could turn those from brown to peach color. And you could do that with anything, but it's still a group. We haven't changed it. We haven't, if you've been working a long time and it's perfect, it's center of the page or whatever, but you want to change it. Oh, I made two black ones. I don't want black. I want yellow there. So you can control shift. Shift key is a way to select more than one item, but normally you don't have to hold down the control button. But since this is a group, Corel is letting you select things, holding down the, we can get all the yellow ones and change them. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.